The audience's huge surge at rapper Travis Scott's Houston festival killed 10 people and injured many more. Scott and Live Nation Entertainment Inc. have been sued in dozens of cases. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. For this video, we will discover how Astroworld lawsuits will affect Travis Scott's millions. But before anything else, please leave a like on the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell down below so you won't miss our videos. Without any further ado, let's hop on right to the video. After crowds rushed toward the stage during Travis Scott's show at his Astroworld music event in Houston at NRG Park on Friday, November 5th, about 9:30 p.m, 8 people were killed and hundreds were injured. The deaths were between the ages of 14 and 27. In the midst of the mayhem, 25 people were taken to the hospital with significant injuries. A 9-year-old boy was the youngest victim, and he died as a result of his injuries. The concert drew around 50,000 people. While Houston officials continued their investigation into the mass casualty incident, with Police Chief Troy Finner revealing Saturday, November 6th, that it's now a criminal investigation that's going to involve our homicide division, as well as narcotics. Attendees and their loved ones are searching for answers on their own. Some people have filed lawsuits in the days since the disaster, claiming that the terrible chaos could have been avoided. They claim that earlier safety difficulties at Scott's shows should have triggered further precautions. In a statement on legal matters, Live Nation said, "We continue to support and assist local authorities in their ongoing investigation so that both the fans who attended and their families can get the answers they want and deserve. And we will address all legal matters at the appropriate time." Attorneys on both sides urged, according to Billboard, that all 275 current claims, representing more than 1,250 plaintiffs, be consolidated into a singular case under Texas multi-district litigation procedures. Combining the cases, which is a common legal procedure for mass injury and casualty incidents, are intended to aid simplified processes like evidence discovery and prevent contradicting verdicts between cases. With over 2,500 plaintiffs now retaining lawyers, more cases could be added to the combined action, according to the filing. Following that, the combined cases must be approved and assigned to a court, and the plaintiff's legal counsel must be consolidated into a few attorneys. Here are some of the significant cases that will be part of the case stemming from Astroworld. Axel Acosta. In connection with the Astroworld tragedy, Travis Scott and Drake have been named in a $750 million lawsuit on behalf of 125 Astroworld festival victims, including the family of Axel Acosta, a 21-year-old who was slain during the performance. Attorney Tony Busby filed the complaint in Houston Civil Court. Busby claims that Acosta died of cardiac arrest as a result of being stepped on by the mob in the complaint. When Axel collapsed, he was trampled by those fighting to prevent themselves from being crushed, it reads. As he lay there, under a mass of humanity dying, the music played and streamed on for almost 40 minutes. Axel Acosta loved and adored Travis Scott and the other performers at Astroworld. The feeling was not mutual, the lawsuit continues. Certainly, neither Travis Scott nor his exclusive partners, streaming service, record labels, handlers, entourage, managers, agents, hangers-on, promoters, organisers, or sponsors cared enough about Axel Acosta and the other concert-goers to make an even minimal effort to keep them safe. The lawsuit also names Drake, who appeared as a surprise guest act alongside Scott. He allegedly greatly benefited from Scott's sicko legacy. When Drake accepted Scott's invitation to perform at Astroworld 2021, Drake was well aware of the damage Scott had caused at his shows in the past. Busby writes in the lawsuit, Drake was also well aware of the anticipated size and volatility of the crowd and the likelihood of incitement. The complaint named Live Nation, Apple Music, Epic Records, Scott's Cactus Jack Records, and TriStar Sports and Entertainment Group as defendants. According to a statement released by Busby's team to People, the company believes, based on its ongoing investigation, that Apple Music, Epic Records, and many other corporations that stood to profit from Astroworld will share legal blame in a court of law in front of a Texas jury. Busby's firm also intends to launch a second complaint, this time with another 100 named plaintiffs. Manuel Souza. Souza, who is represented by Kirker Garcia, LLP, is claiming that the events were predictable and preventable. Tragically, due to defendants' motivation for profit at the expense of concert-goers' health and safety, and due to their encouragement of violence, at least 8 people lost their lives, and scores of others were injured at what was supposed to be a night of fun, Souza's petition alleges. Souza says that he endured serious bodily injuries when the uncontrolled crowd at the concert knocked him to the ground and trampled him. Ryan S. McLeod, partner at Kirker Garcia LLP, stated that in an email to Vulture, as proud residents of Houston, we are sickened by the devastating tragedy that took place on Friday night. Travis Scott has a history of inciting violence and creating dangerous conditions for concert goers. In fact, he tweeted that he would let the wild ones in after the show sold out. He and those who promoted and supported this concert must take responsibility for their heinous actions. We intend to hold them fully accountable by showing that this behaviour will not be tolerated in our great city. Aside from this, Travis Scott is currently facing 9 other cases as of the moment that will undoubtedly have a significant impact on his fortune. What's your take on the tragedy? Let us know in the comment section below. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.